feeling easy, like I'm on top of the world, leaving all my worries and I'm heading out the door. I think I like the way we...
Hey, Duane here with the Best of Us, the Floros. Some have asked, why did we choose the Hensley Hitch? There's many benefits to the hitch. It definitely cuts down on the sway of the RV behind us with our vehicle that we're pulling it with. It allows us also to feel a little safer because of the way it puts the RV and your pulling vehicle as one. And so if you get into a tough situation, it helps you get through that quickly and safely. And also, if you have a lot of semis traveling around you, you will find the Hensley Hitch to benefit you with the air that blows off of semis and other large vehicles that go past you. And don't forget, if you haven't yet, please subscribe. We'd love to have you follow us on a regular basis, and also hit the like button and let us know any comments that you have. If you'd like to know when each of our videos are released, just push the bell and it will inform you when they're available. Also, you might ask, are there drawbacks to the Hensley Hitch? Biggest drawback, if there is a big drawback, is hooking up and disconnecting. It takes some practice, and so be patient. Don't give up after the first, maybe even the second or third try. But once you figure out the formula, it is so worth taking your time to hook the two together that you will find it very beneficial to have the Hensley Hitch as you travel on down the road. So take the next few moments and watch, and we hope that you enjoy. Well, it's about that time to hook up and pull out. And so we thought we'd take this opportunity and let you see what it's like to hook up the Hensley Hitch.
I don't know if you can see, but he is just not totally lined up. So he's going to pull out and line it up exactly, and it should go right in. Takes a couple times. You can see, because it's kind of just perfect entry.
The 2 points that really hold the trailer and the vehicle together are right here. That's too loose, so you crank it down a couple of notches. Take the wrench, and that's all there is to it. Again, if you can do it by hand, just want to take this and crank it down a couple of notches.
And why are you cranking it? Is it to make it a little tighter?
Yes, it makes it shorter. Still too loose. These two pins, one goes on this side, locks it down. The other one on this side locks it down. Now you're hooked and ready to do your other connections. Like that. Then I'm ready to raise the jack.
So he lifted both, he screwed both sides. And now,
From the base to here. Tell me what measurements you get right there.
so you want both arms the exact same on each side.
Would be ideal. Close to each other. They don't have to be exact, but. And you cannot overcrank these. All I know is it went in easier than it ever has.
I got a good, good feeling. You got me in the mood. I got a good, good feeling. And I know you feel it too.
Well, I hope that was helpful and informative. And as you have your experience, maybe you already have a Hensley Hitch, that you'll put those in the comments below to help all of the rest of RVers have a better understanding of the Hensley experience. And again, one more time, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you've enjoyed the video and found it helpful, give us a thumbs up. And if you're looking forward to when our next video is available, just push the bell and it will inform you. Listen, from the best of us, the Floros, the best of you and all that you do and everywhere you travel this summer, it couldn't be any more beautiful. And what a great time to hit the road in RVs and see this great country of ours. So until next time, see you later. Bye now.
Nothing gonna stop me living it up. Dancing to the backbeat, turning it up. Nothing gonna stop me living it up. Dancing to the backbeat, turning it up.